Hello and welcome to today's lesson on perimeter. Our objective today is to show that you can solve real-world problems involving perimeter. First, you need to learn what is perimeter. Perimeter is the sum of the lengths of all of the sides of a polygon. So if you look to the right, you'll see a polygon right here, and I've defined the lengths of each side. So if you add up each of those sides, so let's say 5 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2, you will see that the perimeter of this polygon is 14 centimeters. I'm going to show you a real-life example. This here is the Columbus School soccer field. And Mr. Richardson has a problem. Students keep complaining that they're losing their soccer balls when they're playing soccer at recess. So Mr. Richardson has found a solution that he needs perimeter to solve. Mr. Richardson has decided to build a fence around the soccer field. In order to do that, he needs to know how big the fence is going to be all around so he knows how much stuff to buy. So the first thing he needs to do is measure each side. When he did that, he discovered that this side was 25 meters, this side was 15 meters, this side was also 25 meters, and this side was also 15 meters. So since we know that to find the perimeter, you need to add the lengths of all the sides of the polygon, Mr. Richardson knew that if he added 25 plus 25 plus 15 plus 15, he needed to buy 80 meters of fence. It's time for another real-life example. In this situation, we have a swimming pool. And somebody wanted to put tiles all around their swimming pool. But first, they needed to measure the distance around the pool so they knew how much tiles they would need. Each tile is 1 meter wide. So first they needed to figure out what the length of each side of the swimming pool is. So they measured, and they found out that this side was 14 meters, this side was 16 meters, this side was 3 meters, this side was 2 meters, right here, and this side was 5 meters, and the last side here was 10 meters. So this situation, you would solve it exactly the same way as before, even though there are more sides to add. You take the length of each of the sides and add them up, and then you know how much tile you need. So you would take the length of this side, and 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 this side. Add them up, and that tells you how many meters of tile you would need. I'm going to put this as a challenge to you. Pause the video, and figure out the equation and solution to solve this problem. How many meters of tile is needed? Now you know how to solve real-world problems involving perimeter. So congratulations on accomplishing our objective.